Damn near, Decoded, Unraveling Slang Phrases. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the world of colloquial phrases. Have you ever heard someone use the phrase, damn near, and wondered what it meant? By the end of this video, you'll understand the phrase like a native. First, let's break down the words. Damn, originally a word to express strong disapproval or condemnation, it has evolved in modern slang to intensify the meaning of a word that follows it. Near, close to or at a short distance in space or time. But when these two words are combined as damn near, they form a slang phrase. And like many slang phrases, the meaning isn't always immediately clear from the words themselves. In slang, when someone says, damn near, they're emphasizing that something is very close to being true or happening, but not quite there. It's a way to express that something almost occurred or is almost a certain way. For example, I damn near fell off my chair laughing. This means the person came very close to falling off their chair because they were laughing so hard. But they didn't actually fall. That movie was damn near perfect. Here, the speaker is expressing that the movie was almost perfect, but had some minor flaws. It's a casual phrase, so it might not be appropriate in formal settings or written works. It's primarily used in American English, so be mindful of your audience. Let's practice with a few sentences. 1. I finished damn near all of my homework. What does this mean? 2. Answer. The person has almost finished all of their homework, but not entirely. 3. She was damn near tears when she heard the news. What about this one? 4. Answer. She was very close to crying when she heard the news. Remember, context is key. The surrounding conversation or situation often gives clues to its precise meaning. And there you have it. Now you know how to use and understand the phrase, damn near, in everyday conversation. English is full of fascinating slang and colloquialisms, and mastering them will bring you even closer to sounding like a native. We hope you found this explainer helpful, and we'll catch you in the next video.